In the morning analysis, I asked you to stay long on gold till the time it trades above 1645 and see precisely 1660, 1661 zone. That was the first resistance zone as I mentioned, and yes, till 1665 it has got a stronger resistance. Beyond that, definitely it will fly. Precisely it has retraced from 1661 levels. At the same time, US 30 has breached 30,000 levels and US 100 has in fact achieved 10,870. We had expected 10,880, 10,920 as a very strong resistance. It has precisely achieved this. Now, what can be expected out of US cash session? Whether it is going to fly or whether we are going to remain short on Dow Jones, Nasdaq and gold, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon, as those who have missed the morning analysis definitely would have missed profit. So do subscribe and do press the bell icon. Let's start. First we'll look into gold, followed with Nasdaq 100 and in the end Dow Jones. Do watch till the end. Do listen to it carefully. Let's start. See, on the hourly charts, gold has seen a good resistance at 1661 levels, and beyond that, as I said, beyond that 1665, 1670, this is going to be a major resistance zone. If it breaks past 1671, certainly more bullishness can be seen. It is trying to resist from those levels, and yes, do not forget that it is giving you lower highs there and possibly lower lows. But look at this. This time it failed to breach past the lows at 1640, and hence we have seen this reversal today. But yes, till the time it trades below 1670, I will not consider that still it is trying to trade bullish. The directional movement is bullish here. The stochastic is near to overbought levels on the hourly chart. The MACD is divergent and bullish. It is entering into the buy zone. RSI is also indicating bullishness. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, now look at the 2-hour charts closely, you will find that these two candles, see, there is a pullback on the downside here in the previous candle. It means it is failing to, or it is getting the stronger resistance there on the upside at 1661 levels. At the same time, remember there is a strong support at 1655. Even if it tries to drop, see, this candle generally indicates that there could be a probable reversal. Even if it tries to drop, 1650 is the ultimate resistance. Only and only if it trades below 1650, you can expect that we are looking forward to a bearishness. Else on the upside, 1664, 65 levels cannot be denied. So yes, if it trades above 1660, you can expect rather I say above 1661, you can expect 1664, 65 as the first resistance. Then 1671 levels will come into picture. On the downside, you can sell there at 1650. See this zone? It has got the support here at 1650 and now trying to trade bullish. Probably this is going to be a stronger support zone. The directional movement has crossed over for a bullish move. The stochastic is trading near to the high there. And if you look at the MACD, this is crossed over. This is trading bullish here. This is divergent and indicating bullishness. RSI is looking upwards. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, you will find that, see, one greener candle and an indecision candle. Now it is trying to trade bullish from here. And probably if it continues to trade bullish, we can expect 1665 levels to get achieved. This is probably the target. And yes, till the time it trades above 1655, we can definitely stay long. In fact, below 1655, you can expect 1650 as the major support. But below 1650 only, I will recommend you to sell. Now, despite looking at a drop below 1655, still I am recommending a lower level, because see, only bearishness is confirmed once it trades below 1650 levels, and hence till the time it trades above 1650, do not sell gold here. Yes, there is a probability that it can achieve 1664, 65 levels, which is definitely a very strong resistance zone for gold. Directional movement is bearish. It is trying to converge. Stochastic is overbought. It can sustain these levels here. MACD has crossed over. This is divergent and bullish. And if you look at the RSI, this is looking upwards here, indicating little bullishness. Look at the 4-hour chart. The first green candle, see this red candle and then a greener candle with a wick out there, indicates that possibility exists that we may see second and third greener candle. It can try to fly till towards 1664, 65 or 1671 levels also cannot be denied. Be careful there. Only bearishness is below 1650 levels. If it trades below 1650, certainly bearishness can be seen, and then 1645 levels can be achieved. Directional movement, divergent and bearish. It is trying to converge. Stochastic entering into overbought zones. The MACD has crossed over on the 4-hour charts, and this is a bullish cross here. And if you look at the RSI, this is looking upwards here. Now let's have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, you'll find, see, it is created a base and it is trying to rise from here. At the same time, look at the previous two candles. It has breached the highs out here, and hence you cannot deny that we may see 1665, 1670 levels, and only beyond 1671 you can expect more bullishness, which might bring it till towards 1675, 1680. Beyond 1680 it will fly high. So it is trying to trade bullish till the time it trades above 1645, as I shared today early in the day. Till the time it trades above 1645, one can remain long on gold here. Now look at the directional movement here. It is bearish. It is trying to converge. The stochastic is trading at the bottom at the oversold levels. The MACD is still divergent and bearish. RSI looking upwards. Considering this, see, till 1655 you can remain long on gold, and yes, above 1660 only you can expect that we may see a little more bullishness. Then you can expect 1664, 65 zone, and then 1671 will be seen. So till 1655 probably it will show more bullishness. In between 50 and 55 do not trade. In between 1650 and 1655 do not take any position. Below 1650 still till 1645 I will not consider this as bearish. Only below 1645 you can expect that gold is trying to reverse, gold is trying to retrace, and we may see a drop for 1641 levels and below levels. Hence you have to trade with caution. Till the time it trades above 1655 one can stay long in gold. One can expect 1661, 65, 71 and beyond levels. So take a trade accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. And now let's have a look at Nasdaq 100. And before we proceed with that, yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, identifying the right entries, right exits at the right time, and taking a profitable trade, you can join my mentorship batch. The 16th batch starts on 7th of November. Be a part of it. Do not miss it. After this, the next opportunity you will only get after 1 month, that is in December. And yes, if 1 month gone is 1 month of profits lost, and hence join the training. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Or else if you just want to trade as per the signals, profitable signals, definitely yes, you can join my Telegram channel, which is a paid premium channel where I give the trades with strict stop loss and entry points and exit points. So reach out to me for more details, else become a patron and support the effort which I am putting here day on day for you all. Now look at the Nasdaq 100. See, Nasdaq 100 on the hourly charts, you'll find it is still trying to trade bullish. Yes, it has given a breakout, and see this, trying to trade in this channel. There is a little resistance at 10,870, 880 zone, but then I expect 10,920 should be a greater resistance, and beyond that 10,970 should come into picture. Beyond that we may see it hitting 11,000 also. Be careful, there could be stronger resistance around this zone, that is 10,950 to 11,050, only above which you can expect that more bullishness will be seen. Directional movement is overbought on the hourly charts. The MACD is divergent and bullish on the hourly charts. The RSI is looking upwards. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour chart, see here, 3 consecutive green candles, and this is a consolidation candle. Hence, any drop below 10,820 here, yeah, rather I say 10,800, yes, below 10,800 you can expect little more drop. But remember, the stronger support for the day is at 10,740. Only and only if it breaks below 10,740 you can consider that it is trying to show bearishness, else it may continue with the bullish momentum. You can expect 10,880, 10,920, and in fact beyond that we may see 10,970, 11,000 levels also. Be cautious with the trade there. The direction movement divergent and bullish. Stochastic is overbought here, and the MACD is on the verge of a crossover, and this is a bullish crossover, hence you have to be cautious. RSI looking upwards. Now look at the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, look at the previous 2 candles. See, the bullishness is certainly diminished here. Now it is trying to rise. Once it trades beyond 10,770, 10,870, 10,880 zone, you can definitely expect 10,920 levels will be seen, and beyond that certainly more bullishness can be seen, which might bring it till towards 10,970 levels. 10,970, 11,000, 11,040, very strong resistances for Nasdaq 100. On the downside, till the time it trades about 10,740, do not sell Nasdaq 100. The direction movement is bearish. Stochastic is overbought. The MACD is on the verge of a bullish crossover here. Yes, it may enter into buy zone from here. The RSI is trading flat, and if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour chart, see 2 green candles. A follow-up 3rd green candle can be expected. Increasing body size, it means Next candle might bring it till towards 10950, 10970, 11,000 levels. Be careful. Yes, it can try to achieve these low levels. Buy at 10880 levels, expect 10920, 10950, 10970 and 11,000 as the major resistance. In fact, till 11040 it has got very strong resistance. Beyond that it is going to fly high. Directional movement bearish on the 4-hour charts, stochastic rising from the oversold zone. The MACD again crossing over for the bullish move. This is the first green candle. It may continue with the divergence. RSI trading flat, and if you look at the daily charts, now look at the daily charts here. Yes, it is trying to trade in this channel, and if you look at this, see the highs of this channel are somewhere here at 11,200, 300. Yes, there is a possibility for it to achieve the zone at 11,300, and then we'll see how it behaves, possibly achieving these levels. It can reverse again. Hence, you have to be cautious. Right now, it appears till the time it trades above the zone at 10,740, you should not sell Nasdaq 100. And in fact, below that, you have to be cautious till 10,680 levels. Only below 10,680, 10,670, it will call for the bears out there. Then 10,600, 10,500 will be seen. Else, it will continue with the bullish momentum. Direction movement, bearish, stochastic comfortable. The MACD not indicative of anything. RSI looking upwards. Considering this, buy at 10,870, 880 and then expect it to rise for 10,920, 950, 970, 11,000, 11,040. These are the levels. At every milestone you can close some of your trades and re-enter, and every retracement till 10,740 you can remain long on Nasdaq 100. Remember, it may try to threaten you with the drop first, but then again it is going to remain bullish. Only bearishness today is below 10,740. Below that you can expect till 10,680 you can remain bullish here. Only below 10,680 I will expect it to drop more. So hence you have to be cautious. You can sell at 10,740, expect 10,700, 10,680 as the major support. Below that it is going to crash strongly on the downside. So take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. US 30 on the early charts definitely has got the support now at 29,800. Only below 29,800 you can expect that it is going to trade bearish. In fact, 29,800, 700 is the zone where you have to be very careful. So be cautious there. 29,820, I told you today morning also, breaking beyond which certainly more bullishness is seen, and it is trying to trade in this bullish channel. The next resistance on the upside is going to be at 30,100 levels, and beyond that certainly more bullish. So this zone at 30,100, 30,050 is going to be definitely stronger resistance. Beyond that it will fly for 200, 300, 400, 500 levels also. Now look at the direction. Movement is bullish, stochastic is overbought, MACD is bullish here, RSI is looking upwards. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts you will find that it is trading in this channel, and this time if it breaks out it is going to give you a very strong bullish candle. You have to be cautious. Yes, you can buy at 30,000, expect 30,050, 30,100 as a major resistance zone, and if it breaks past 30,100 just stay long. 30,200, 30,400, 500 cannot be denied. This is going to be extremely bullish. At the same time, on the downside below 30,000, 29,800, certainly more bearishness will be seen there. Direction movement, divergent and bullish, stochastic overbought. The MACD is trying to converge, crossover for a bullish move. The RSI trading flat. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, only concern here is the candle size. This is increasing here, and then this body, you look at the body here, this is diminishing in nature, and hence there could be stronger resistance at 30,100 and then 30,200 levels. These two levels one should watch out for. Only beyond this 30,200 levels you can consider that it is trying to reverse on the upside. The directional movement bullish, stochastic is overbought here, hence it may see a little drop. The MACD is willing to converge, crossover for a bullish move. RSI looking upwards is still trying to indicate bullishness. Now look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour chart, this time if it breaks past 30,000, see if it breaks past 30,000 levels, certainly more bullishness, and in fact 30,050 is the level you should watch out for. Beyond that you can expect that it is going to hit 30,200 levels. On the downside, till the time it trades about 29,800, I will not recommend you to sell Dow Jones. Till the time it trades about 29,800, every sell position is a opportunity to buy. The directional movement is bullish, the stochastic looking upwards, the MACD is in green, the RSI trading flat, and if you look at the daily charts, on the daily charts too, it has taken a support and now it is trying to rise. See, it is trying to trade bullish. Probably it can try to in fact give you a another move which may try to bring it till towards 30,400 levels. Possibility exists, and hence one can remain long till the time. If it breaks past 3100 and 200, certainly more bullishness will be seen. Directional movement divergent and bullish, stochastic crossing over for a sell, MACD divergent and bullish, RSI looking upwards. Considering this, you can remain long on Dow Jones till the time it trades about 29,800. Every opportunity of a drop is an opportunity to buy, and in fact beyond 30,050 levels it will show you real colors, and then you can expect 30,100, 200, and beyond 200 directly it will try to land at 350, 400 levels. Stay long till the time it trades about 29,800 levels. Below 800 you can expect 29,750 as the major support and 29,700 as the next support. Only and only if it trades about below 29,700 it will call for the bears, and then we can see 29,500 and below levels. Trade with caution. These are markets, nor yours nor mine. These are markets. You have to trade with strict trailing stop loss. Only stop loss is your friend, remember. And once your trade is in profit, once your position is in profit, shift the stop loss to your entry price. Trade accordingly, trade profitably, trade with a stop loss. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Reach out to me for mentorship batch or my signals group or become a patron. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.